Hi everyone, and welcome to Breakforce Breaking. My name is Gabriel, also known as B-Boy Infante, and I'm the director and head coach. In this video, I'll walk you through how to book your classes and packages on our secure online system. Whether you're dropping in for a single session or joining one of our membership packages, this step-by-step guide will show you exactly what to do. First, let's look at how to book a drop-in class. Once you're on our website, go and select weekly classes drop-ins. It should then lead you to this page where you can scroll down and find a variety of different classes in the week. You're now going to pick the class that you'd like to do in the week. We're going to start off with our Mondays for an example. We're going to scroll down and find the different classes. Here we have a breakdance class. We're going to select the week that you want to book. For example, if you want to book September the 8th, which is the first week that we're going to start, you go to week 1, press the plus button to add a participant, and then go down to add to cart. If you're new, you'll be prompted to make an account. This only takes a minute and helps us to keep your booking secure. After you've done that, head back to your cart and then click Assign Attendees. Here, you can allocate the participant's name to the booking. Click Edit Details. Click on the last option, fill in the following details for the participant using a Breakforce reference number, and then click Assign. Once that's assigned, click Confirm and Pay. Now, let's look at our packages. These are perfect if you're training regularly and want the best value. Click here where it says Terms and Monthly Packages. Scroll down and you can find our monthly and termly packages. We offer 4 different options: Light Package, Starter Package, Breaker Package, and Pro. Each are available as a monthly or termly plan. These booking processes are the same. Now, to get started, select your desired package, either from the monthly or the termly section. We're going to go with the light package for now for our example. Now, because this is a monthly package, we're going to go down and select the desired month that we want to go and opt into. Add the number of participants that you would like to the month, and then click Add to Cart. It should take you back to the cart where you can see that your monthly breaking package is added. From here, we're going to go to the drop-in section. We're going to select the class included in your package. Now, because this is the light package, we are only entitled to our breakdance classes. I will make another video with a description of all the different classes and what's eligible and what you also get. Let's go back to our Monday breakdance class. You're going to go to where it says the name of your package. Here it says light package includes 1 class each week for the month of September. We're going to click and add our participant, then click Add to Cart. This will appear as £0 when you've added it to the basket, meaning that your package covers the cost. You must assign the attendees for both the package and the class that you wish to do weekly.